This is the lightning sword we made a couple of videos ago, but can you see something? That's right, it has a custom texture. So today I'm going to show you how to make custom textures for your vanilla or custom items in Minecraft. Let's get started. So first let us set up the resource pack by going to Options, Resource Packs, and then Open Pack folder. We're going to create a new folder called Lightning Sword. Inside here we need to create two things: a folder called Assets, which holds everything inside our resource pack, and a blank file called pack.mcmeta, which is the same as what we have in our data packs. I will just fill that in quickly. Okay, now I can save and close that. Now inside Assets we're going to create a folder called Minecraft for the Minecraft namespace. Inside that we're going to create a folder called Textures to hold our textures, and a folder called Models to hold our models. Inside Textures we're going to create a folder called Custom to hold our custom textures. Inside Models we're going to create a folder called Custom to hold our custom model, and a folder called Item to hold the default Minecraft models. You'll see why that's important soon. So I've copied the vanilla model for the netherite sword, because our lightning sword was a netherite sword, and I'm going to paste it inside Items, and then inside the textures and then Custom I'm going to paste because I think the lightning sword should look a bit like an iron sword. Now if we go back into Models and then Item and open up this, inside is just these 6 lines, and the bit we're looking at here is this. And because if you remember, in here inside Textures the texture was in Custom and Iron Sword, so here we replace this with Custom / Iron _ sword. We don't need to put .png because Minecraft already knows it's a PNG texture. Now back in Minecraft, in our resource packs, we should see this lightning sword. Move it over, click done. Now let's go into our world, and if we go into our inventory and type in netherite sword, you can see here that it actually looks like an iron sword. And that's because it's taken the texture from this. So you can use this to make custom textures for normal items, but we don't want to do that. We want to make it for a custom item. So what we need to do is, inside here, we're going to change this back to the netherite sword texture, and underneath here, we're going to create something new called overrides. That is going to be some square brackets, and inside that is going to be some curly braces, and we're going to have predicate. That is going to be some more curly braces, and it's going to check for custom model data. That is what the custom model data tag that we added to our custom items before is useful. Make sure that here it is spelt with underscores, but in game it will be spelt with capitalized letters. We can choose what number the custom model data should be. I just type 6 random numbers, and then we're going to have the model. It is going to be a new model inside custom, and we're going to call it lightning sword. So it will be custom / lightning sword. Lightning sword. Open it up, and we're going to remove these overrides. We don't need that. And then here is where we're going to change the texture to be custom / and we're going to call the texture lightning sword now. Save that, and make sure to go into Textures and Custom and rename it to be called Lightning Sword. Now if we go back into Minecraft and press F3 and T to reload our resource packs, now you can see that the netherite sword is back to normal again. But now if we get a lightning sword, then it has the custom iron sword texture because we gave it custom model data. Now the last thing I'm going to do is make it not look like an iron sword, make it look a bit more lightning-y. So let's do that. So just open the texture up in whatever is your favorite image editing program. I use GIMP. Now inside here we're going to start painting the thing. Okay, so I've just painted a little lightning sword texture, and let's see how it looks in Minecraft. Press F3 and T, and there you go. Looks alright, I guess. Obviously in this I only showed you how to make custom textures, but you can use a piece of software called Blockbench to make 3D models. I'll put an example of that on screen now. Let me know in the comments if you want me to show you how to use Blockbench. But that is how to make custom textures for your custom or vanilla items in Minecraft. And if you want to learn how to make the lightning sword that we just made the custom texture for, click this video here. Goodbye!